Hello viewers, my name is Deepti Mukherjee and today I am going to tell about some form of e-commerce. B2B, business to business. Example, a car manufacturer ordering tires. B2C, business to consumer. Example, ordering books online. Now G2C, government to consumer, distributing tax form online. C2C, consumer to consumer, auctioning second-hand product online. P2P, peer-to-peer, example, file sharing. That's all. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are requested to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.